I guess here we are going to give a major update in our channel. We used to shoot with lots of mobile phones. Mobile phone is
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
and here you can see this was the device we are using for recording. This is an iPhone 13 mini and here you can see this was the mic we were using. Like it is a mic from Goya and it's in both camera and smartphone microphone, and we were using this attachment for the audio, and this was the jugaad we were doing while shooting the video. And iPhone 13 mini has quite bad battery life when you are filming, and we used to film in 4K with this iPhone. I prefer that before buying any camera, the best choice is go with a phone which you have. Nowadays even budget phones have a better camera sensor, and they are capable of recording 4K, and if you have good editing skills, you can beat the DSLR quality, and you can watch a bad quality video, but you cannot watch a bad quality video with a bad quality. That's where we were wrong. It was our dream upgrade to upgrade our video and audio setup, and we are just surprised like how the video quality is. Let me know guys if there is any difference. And we are shooting our videos with more different types of mobile phones in our house. Like our house is completely filled with mobile phones, and currently we are shooting this video on iPhone. I know we are rich kids here. Now today we are going to upgrade our YouTube gear, and this is the content. So we are going to unbox this thing later. I'm just quite excited because we are shooting videos from 2 years or 3 years, but we didn't have any professional camera. We are completely shooting with a phone and 500 rupees mic, I know. And now it is time to upgrade the quality of our channel. So now here we have the beast right here. Let us keep this aside gently. And next we have a camera mic from Boya MM1, and we got memory card. And before that we have some big tripod right here. First we will going to unbox this big thing first. Now we are going to just check the tripod, and we are going to break this seal. Don't try this at home. And here you can see the package from Amazon, and here you can see there is one tripod and one card reader inside it. Inside you can see there is a tripod from Digitech. Let us keep this aside. And there is a small thing, complimentary thing. This is called as card reader, so that you can transfer the data from your memory card to your PC. First let's unbox this beauty. Just quite simple. Here you can see nothing much, and it costed me around 500 rupees. The links will be in the description. Here you can see this is the card reader, and it comes with USB 3.1 type C and OTG, and it has a memory card slot right here where you can insert a camera memory card and a normal SD card, and that's it. Let us keep this tiny thing aside. I know it is a tiny thing, but it is pretty useful thing. And this is how it looks. And here you can see the USB port right here, and here you can see type C port where you can even plug it to your smartphone and stuff. And if you want to purchase this product, check links in the description. And it is a tripod from Digitech. It's a well-known photo camera brand or photography accessories brand, and the model number is DTR 550LW. And here you can see you will get a free mobile holder, and it can hold a camera up to 5 kgs, and it can go up to 5.57 feet, and that's it guys. And it has 3 sections and stuff, and that's it, nothing much on the box. And we are just going to break this thing and take the tripod out. And inside you can see there is a bag, and there is an vaulting. Now the back vault is pretty good, no offense. This is the tripod. I'm sorry, it happens. And here you can see this is a smartphone holder, and this is a tripod. And here you can see this is the quality of the tripod. And here you can see this is a camera mount where you can lock this and mount to the camera, and just place this again. And now I'm going to show the maximum height of this tripod. And it is better if we do this and outdoor, so that the place here is just congested. Now here you can see, just unlock the 3 sides of the tripod, and now just extend the stance of the tripod. And I'm unable to do this because I am the one holding the camera, I am the one shooting the camera. I will just place the phone somewhere so that I can show it to you in a complete manner. And if you appreciate my struggle, just drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel Tech Dude. And just lock the tripod, and this is how it looks at stage 1 extended. Now it's stage 2. I'm just placing the camera somewhere, and now I'm just extending the camera to the fullest. And this is how it looks fully extended. And there we go. Now here you can see, here this is an wheel which is used to extend the tripod at the maximum capacity. Just rotate the thing so that you can extend. I'm unable to do so because I'm the one holding the camera, and I will show you the final shot of the final extension looks like. And here you can see this is how the final extension look like. And from far this is how the view is. And this is the camera mounted with both. And here I'm going to show you how to mount the tripod camera to the tripod. Just here you can see, if I bring closer, there is an mount called press hold to release. Just unlock the mount and remove this mount kind of thing. It is known as base plate. And now just take the camera and align the camera all with the screw. Just rotate the base plate. So just align the screw and rotate. And make sure you don't apply much pressure, do it gently while doing it. And this is how it looks. And now just tighten it up and done. Now just open the switch and slide the base plate in, and this is how you should mount the camera to the tripod. Now here you can see this is how the complete tripod looks like, mounted with camera. And here is the view, and this is how it looks. Now here you can say I'm going to show it to you how to mount a tripod, how to mount a mini tripod to the camera. Now just take the base plate and rotate the base plate, and just now insert align the screw with the base plate. Now just align the screw and rotate it clockwise so that you can fix the camera. And now it has done, and it is an mini tripod. The links will be in the description, and it costed me around 900 rupees, and it can hold the camera up to 3 kgs including lens and microphone. And there we go, this is how the complete setup looks extended. And see how steadily the camera is now. And this is how it looks with the camera and mic mounted on this mini tripod. And it is very easy and convenient to vlog, and this is how it looks in hand, and this is how it looks. Next thing we have here is a Boya BYMM1 mic, and just remove this thing. And here you can see there is an mic inside it. And here you can see there is an Boya stickers, they copied from Apple, I guess. And the user manual guide and the warranty card. And now here you can see this is the mic with a dead cat. And let us remove this dead cat gently and show it to you. And this is a dead cat which cancels out the noise, air noise. And this is an cardioid, universal cardioid microphone. And now just put it back how you just removed it. And now here you can see you get an 3.5 mm pins, where you have to just insert it like this. And you have to insert this thing in your camera. And before that, here you can see this is for this cable is for mobile phone. And here you can see they have specially mentioned it for mobile phone. And there is an carrying case. And the polythene is pretty good of this carrying case. And here you can see this is an mount. This mount goes into the hot shoe of the camera, and you have to just mount the mic like this. And here you can see this is how it stands. This is how it goes on the camera, and this goes into the camera. And that's it, nothing much. Now I am recording this video with the Boya MM double mic mounted on the camera. I am going to show it to you. This is how it looks. And here you can see I am recording it in Boya M11. And just tell me the audio quality at outdoors. And I am shooting with Canon R10 with 45mm 18:45mm lens. And here you can see this is a Canon R10 RFS 18:45mm lens, f4.5 aperture. Now this is the final box for unboxing. And here you can see we have just opened it. And there you go. And here you can see user manual, warranty card, and some Canon advertisement and Canon R10. Here you can see the battery adapter, where you have to place your battery and charge it. And this is the 2-pin cable, where it goes here like this. And the battery goes inside like this. Let us keep this aside. And here you can see the Canon stripe, and here goes the branding Canon EOS R10. and this is how it goes. And here you can see we have the SanDisk 64 GB Extreme Pro memory card class 10, and this will go in this place right here. And here you can see the overall view and ports of the camera. Here you can see you can plug in the microphone and 3.5 mm earphones so that you can monitor audio and record the audio at the same time. And here you can see the HDMI port and Type-C port for transferring data and charging this camera. And now we have the lens right here, and which is 18:45 lens. And I know this is the lens right here. And first of all we have to just remove this and keep this aside. Now we have to align with the red dot. Here you can see, just align it with the red dot. And there we go. And just remove the lens cap. Now take the microphone. As you can see here, this is the microphone, and just place the top of this shoe. And that's it for this video, guys. And we were quite excited to upgrade our equipment, and from now we are going to post content on daily basis, and we are going to open one more gaming channel. Stay tuned for gaming content. And now our equipment got updated so that we can shoot our shooting process and post production process of the video will get more quicker and more faster, so that we can post the content regularly. And before signing off, if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel Tech Dude, and check the links in the description if you are interested in purchasing any product such as tripod, memory card, so that we will get a little bit commission when you purchase this product. And like the video, guys, so that this video reaches to more people and we will get more views. And thank you, guys. Signing off, your Tech Dude.